Hello, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will be sharing with you the remote job opportunities as well. So let me share those details with you. So the very first job opportunity is a remote job, and they are looking for someone who knows a C sharp and can do automation testing. Someone who is strong in C sharp and API should have relevant experience for about 5 years. Overall experience is 7 to 11 years, and the drive location is Hyderabad and Chennai. You can apply virtually as well. This is the email address wherein you have to apply. They are looking for someone who is having strong understanding of testing methodologies, including behavioral driven testing, unit testing, ability to take an automation first approach to quality engineering, experience with C sharp testing frameworks, experience with API testing, behavioral driven testing of executable specifications. So these are the requirements for C sharp automation testers. Then Tricon Infotech is looking for associate software engineers to join the team in Bangalore. And if you're graduating in 2025 with a BE, BTech, ME, MTech degree, so you can apply over here. This is the email address. This for freshers. Location would be Bangalore, and they are looking for someone who is having good communication skills, problem solving skills, and interpersonal collaboration. Squareboard is also hiring. They haven't mentioned any email address, but you can search on Google, or you can also apply on the careers page of the Squareboard website itself. They are hiring for QA engineers, manual testers. Then there is a requirement for full-time work from home. So if you are into DevOps, SRE, security, data, QA, or engineering, so there are a lot of roles that are here. So I have shared this link. I'll be putting this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. So you can search for your relevant role and then email your resume along with the job ID to this referral email address. So this is a referral email address wherein you have to apply. Then one of the companies hiring for QA testers. Number of positions are four, and experience required is 2+ years. Work location would be Mumbai. Notice period would be immediate. Joiners are preferred. Preferred candidate would be from Mumbai itself. And you can share your CV at this email address, and the contact details are also provided. They are looking for someone who can do manual testing, who is strong in handling multiple test environments like SIT, UAT, QA, pre-prod, these kind of things. Then Canopus Infosystems is hiring for QA engineer, manual tester, experience 2+ years. Technical skills required are Postman, Jira, Confluence, Bugzilla, and Trello. Location is Indore, and you can share your updated resume at this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, Gurgaon-based location, and the key skills required are manual testing, API testing, SQL and SQL queries, backend testing, backend workflow understanding. Location is Gurgaon. Experience is 1 year, and you can share your resume at this email address. EPAM is also hiring for automation testing as that role in Hyderabad on 12th of July. So upcoming weekend, and they are looking for automated testing in .NET, automated testing in JavaScript. Notice period for both should be 0 to 60 days. And you can drop an email to this email address with your current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period. Then again, there is a requirement for QA tester, 5+ years remote, and you should have strong manual testing skills, functional end-to-end regression testing experience. Send your resume to this email address. Epidel Technologies is also hiring for an experienced manual and automation tester with 7 years of experience to join the team in Hyderabad. They are looking for local candidates only, and the final round would be face to face in Hyderabad. So you can share your CV at this email address. Net Solutions is hiring for software tester, automation testers, and the location is Chandigarh. And they are looking for someone who is having the knowledge of automation framework, JavaScript, hands-on experience in automation, and test script writing experience. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Right. So there are multiple job opportunities wherein you can apply today. We covered remote jobs, work from home jobs, IT jobs, the testing jobs for freshers as well as for experience. So you can apply today itself. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates because all of this information is absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.